Kat Dillon, holistic nutritionist and chef with Caterpillar Nutrition and Wellness, and today I'm going to show you a delicious recipe made from arborio rice. It's risotto with gorgonzola and asparagus, and this is a comfort dish that I use for almost every holiday, and I hope you'll find it delicious. So our ingredients. So we've got about 1.5 cups of arborio rice. We've got roughly 6 to 7 shallots chopped fine, 1 big fat garlic clove, some asparagus that I've already sauteed. You can also roast or steam, but I would like to bring out the flavor, so I just sauteed it in a little bit of olive oil and garlic. Here is some butter for our sauteing process. It's just 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, some fresh thyme, got about 2 teaspoons there, and I've got a mixture here of cheeses. I've got about 3/4 cup of gorgonzola and about 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Here I've got my wine. Make sure you're using a good white wine here. Now, that doesn't have to be the best wine that you have in your kitchen, but make sure you'd want to drink it before you use it. And of course, our salt and pepper we're going to use as we go. So let's go ahead and start the cooking process, shall we? We're going to take a sauce pot and we're going to heat it on flame, probably medium high. We're going to take our butter and we're going to place that butter in the hot pot. Then we're going to slowly incorporate the shallots and the garlic and make sure that those sizzle nice and till they're not so brown. So we're basically sweating them, as they say in culinary school. We're sweating them just to bring out those flavors and aromas. After that, we're going to hit our pan with our rice. Let that get coated with the fat, with the oils in the pan. And then we're going to hit it with about 1 cup of white wine. After that gets incorporated and you see the rice sort of coming up a little bit more, you're starting to see that rice dry up a bit, we're going to start adding our hot stock. You want to have about 4 cups of semi-boiling stock. It can be a vegetable stock or a chicken stock, you decide. So we're going to slowly go through those increments of adding the stock. So we're going to add the stock so that the arborio rice is just covered, and then just let that stock evaporate. And we're going to do that probably about 4 times. It roughly takes about 15 to 20 minutes. After that, we're going to incorporate our cheese and our fresh herbs and, of course, our beautiful asparagus. So we'll do that quickly at the end. And there we have our beautiful risotto with asparagus and gorgonzola cheese. It's a family of 4 eating this big bowl. Delicious.